What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight, I'm headed on over to a car meet with the homies. It's definitely going to be a pretty dope one, depending on the weather. Because as you can hear, I mean, it's raining right now here. I heard it was about to rain over there. We'll see, because it's been going through and clearing up pretty quick, so we will see. But without further ado, let's go ahead and head on over there. This is the best and worst spot at the same time. Like, it's one of the biggest spots here, but you got this tree. Right now it's not too bad because you don't have a lot of stuff falling from the tree, but springtime is pretty bad. There used to be all kinds of things falling off the tree and onto the car, but we good right now. But yeah, let me go ahead and head on over there. Alright, so I'm here. This was real sketchy backing in because I had water on the camera. I had the windows down, so it was starting to fog up. Couldn't see. Then my glasses started fogging up. It was bad, but as you can see, we parked up. Alright, we got Street Elegance homies out. The meet's just starting, so we still got some time for some people to show up, and it was raining, so some people get kind of scared when it starts raining. But like I said, it's Florida, and I mean, it's a little drizzle, but not really. So, and you know the drill. As always, let me know which car is your favorite. Alright, got some nice cars pulling up, looking good, sounding good. Wasn't recording the music and they had full entrance due to the music, but they definitely clean. Yeah. Now I don't know if they're parking here or not. Yeah, I was thinking about parking there, but these things kind of deterred me. Yeah, I guess they're not staying. Hey, look who's back. Alright, so yeah, we got a nice little lineup so far. And let's see. Seen those when they pulled in. So I can't zoom, but that Mitsubishi looks pretty cool. I got the wide angle lens on. The low light lens, I should say. There we go. Alright, got a bunch more. Pretty wild. I don't know if you can hear me. definitely gotta do a full video on this. Looking good. Alright, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. We had a good turnout. It was dope, and that was the start of a new club, so that's really good. I'll put links in the description below. You can check them out. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.